educational point for your client because we got to get him on the right path.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Either we got to get him on the right path, or we got to get him in here every week to give him a shave. So
Right.
we keep him looking handsome. So take some of this, and you want to put it on. Oops. Put it on one side so he can feel it, so he'll be able to tell the difference. I can already see the dryness in his skin right there. Now you touch his other side.
But that's rare, you said. Right. That's what I was about to say. It's not.
Great job with your backside of your hand.
No, I'm not.
That's something you always want to tell your client. That's something you always want to tell your client after the shave because everybody wants to go like this.
Okay.
And their hands are dirty. Dirt and oil can cause irritation as well. Touch this side of your right here.
Yeah, that's definitely happened a few times.
Yeah.
Is this conditioner or?
It's
This is moisturizer. Yeah.